As you know, getting traffic for your website is quite difficult nowadays, and if you want to drive consistent traffic for your website, then you need to have a WhatsApp group or a Telegram group where you can share your blog post updates and you will get consistent traffic to your website. So for this you need to add a animated social follow button like this to your website, so that it will attract the user attention and motivate them to join to your Telegram group or WhatsApp group. So let's check how we can add this type of social follow button to our blog or website. So for this we are going to use a code snippet. So for this, let's log into our Blogger dashboard and let's click on theme section. And by the way, if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe our channel. So let's start. So let's click on edit HTML here. Now you need to add this to each and every blog post. So either you can add this to the beginning of the blog post or the end of this blog post. So for this you need to search for a code like this. So data post.body. So you need to search for this code in your theme code. So before making any changes to your theme code, I strongly recommend you to take a backup of your theme code first, and after that just type Ctrl+F and search for the code. So in some themes you may find this code 2 times, so you have to enter again. And here as you can see that we have data class post body and we have the data post body. So if you want to add this animated social follow buttons before the content, then you have to paste the code above this tag, and if you want to show it below the content, then you have to paste the code after this tag. So let me paste it before. So let me hit enter and let me add the code here. So I will go to this page and let me copy this code and let me paste it. Now here you need to change your Telegram group link here. So let me change that. And you can add your WhatsApp group or WhatsApp channel link here, and you can change the text like WhatsApp group or Telegram group, and by default this link will open in a new tab. That's why you have added the target blank like this. And you can change the SVG icon as well. So let me click on save here. Now let's go back and let me view the blog here, and let me open any of the blog post. And as you can see that we have the social follow buttons added before the content. So you can add it after the content. Just you have to add the code just after this tag, so that it will show the social follow button at the end of the blog post. So let's open a different blog post here. And as you can see that it has also added to all of the blog posts of your Blogger website. And by the way, if you want to add a timeline like this, then I have already made a video on this. So I will link that video in the description, so you can follow that video as well. So let's change this position to at the end of the blog post. So for this I will click on edit HTML and let me search for that tag. Let me hit enter. Let's hit enter again, and we need to cut this code and paste it before that like this. So you have to add this code after this tag. Now let's click on save. Now the code is saved. Let's go to the post and let me refresh this page. And as you can see that the social follow button is added at the end of the content. So let's open a different page here, and here it is. So this is how you can add a social follow button like this, and anyone can click on this button and it will open this link in a new tab, and you can join the Telegram group as well. So I also recommend you to join our Telegram group, where you will get regular updates from our YouTube channel or website, and you can also ask your doubts about blogging, and I will try to provide the solution as soon as possible, or other group members also help you in that. So make sure to join our Telegram group as well. So I will provide the code link in the description, so you can just copy it and paste it in your Blogger theme code and display a social follow buttons like this. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.